Hi, I'm Dr. Chuck. I have been teaching programming for a long time, long enough to remember when we saved code on floppy disks, and long enough to know that every few years something comes along that changes everything. Right now, that thing is AI. And if you're a programmer or thinking about becoming one, you are living in one of the most interesting moments in the history of computing. I'm a professor at the University of Michigan School of Information, and over the years I have built courses literally for millions of learners. Python for everybody, web applications for everybody, and now most recently computer architecture for everybody. But here's the thing. I don't think of myself as just a teacher. I'm a master programmer in the old school sense. I like understanding how things really work, from high-level code all the way down to the silicon. I want X-ray vision so I can see everything in computing, and I want you to have that same X-ray vision. For most of my career, programming meant writing code line by line, carefully, precisely, sometimes even painfully. But AI changes that. Now instead of just writing code, we're collaborating. We're collaborating with something that can generate code, explain code, refactor code, debug our thinking, and remind us of our thinking. That's a big shift. And it raises a big question. Are we becoming less important as programmers or more powerful? I think we're becoming more powerful, but only if we adapt. Programming is no longer just about syntax. It's about knowing what to build, understanding what good looks like, being able to guide, critique, and refine what AI produces. In other words, the job is shifting from typing code to thinking clearly about systems. And honestly, that is where the fun has always been. In my courses, I try to make learning feel less like work and more like a game or exploration. I design assignments like little puzzles. I tell stories about how computers evolved. I sneak in ideas that might not make sense right away, but click later. And now I'm bringing AI into that process, not as a shortcut, but as a partner. Something you learn with, and sometimes you can learn from. If this moment in computing feels as exciting to you as it does to me, and you want to come along for the ride as we figure this out together, how to use AI well, how to teach with AI, and how to train the next generation of master programmers in the most efficient way possible, head over to podcast.drchuck.com and subscribe. I'll be sharing what I'm learning every week or so, what works, what doesn't work, or what surprises me along the way. I'd love to have you along, because in this new world, the best programmers won't be the ones who can type the fastest. They'll be the ones who can think the deepest. I'm Dr. Chuck, and let's learn this together.